What is up, guys? It's your boy Ed. We're gonna put switchbacks on the Silverado, and so on the clip before that you saw the module and the switchbacks. The switchbacks are a little bit bigger than the daytime running lights and the reverse lights, but it's a pretty simple process. It's a plug and play. Nothing, no resistors, no nothing, no wires. You just plug it in and that's it. I'm gonna show you guys first when I install the switchbacks, so you guys can see the hyper flash, and then I'm gonna install the module and show you guys that it calms it down and brings it to operating flashes, I guess. So it's pretty simple, and that's pretty much it. But I'm gonna show you guys that I have no wires soldered or connected or anything, no resistors on the switchback, so stay tuned. Alright guys, to take off the headlight, you just take off this little pin right here, or bolt off. Comes off the headlight, and then we're gonna take off the turn signals and the hazards, which is this one right here. You just twist it off. And then if you're not gonna use the bulb, you can just touch them. I mean, it doesn't matter. And then we're gonna install the switchback. This is how it looks. We're just gonna take off everything, and then just plug it in. Kind of hard, and there you go. So now we're gonna test. So here's the switchbacks already installed, and this one's out just to test it, and that's the turn signal, which is left, and here's when it's installed on the other one. Is right. Look pretty nice. So that's how it looks right now, and we're gonna check the, so you guys can see the hyper flash. See how it's hyper flashing right there. The module is still here, and we're gonna install it right now, and I'm gonna show you guys where it's located at. That's if you have a Silverado or GMC. That's basically what it would be around there. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so the module, we're gonna have to get in here. So it uses a 7mm bolt, which is this one right here next to the emergency park, I guess, and the other one that's right here. It's just those two to take this off, and then it should be like right here, something like right here. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so I thought it was right here, but actually it's right here. So you're just gonna have to pry this off. There's this one right here, and they say it's like pretty hard to take off since it's been there. So let's try to pry it off. guys, so it's already off. I had to turn off the camera because it was like really stuck in there, so you're gonna have to like battle with it. And so this is how it came out. That's the way I'm gonna put the other one. So that's the old one, and here's the new one. So you guys can see A, B, C, D, E. E is gonna be in the bottom, and K. You guys can see that. So try to put this back. Hopefully it's not a pain. Oh, I think that's it went all the way in. Alright, so let's test this out. See if it did anything. But it should. And yeah, see how it would hyper flash real quick. So now we're gonna go check, so you guys can see it has no resistors or none of that. It's right there, and this is all white. And you guys can see this is spliced into this. If you've seen my other videos, which goes to the U-bars right here. Right there. So you guys can see no resistors, just the module. No need to be wiring everything up. So I'm gonna install everything and show you guys how it looks. Everything installed. Alright guys, so I installed everything back, and this is how they look. No resistors, just the module. So everything I used will be down in the description below. You guys can check them out. This is an 05 Chevy Silverado 1500. So if you have the same truck, you guys can find it right there. Very easy to do. No resistors, no wires, nothing to do. Alright guys, so you guys saw, and stay tuned for the next video, because I'm gonna do the instrument cluster, the whole bulbs. So I'm gonna solder the bulbs, I'm gonna do the defroster, and then the switch. Everything right there is doesn't have light, which I'll show you in the next video before I do it, so you guys can see how all the bulbs are out, and then show you once I'm doing it, and then at night how it looks, which they're gonna be blue LEDs. So stay tuned. Peace.